Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of rectangular prisms. Well, what is the volume? The volume is just simply the amount of space inside a solid figure. And when we obtain the volume of a rectangular prism, we're just going to multiply the length times the width and then times the height. Or we could just say volume is equal to capital B times height because capital B is just simply length times width. All right, with that in mind, we're going to apply our formula to big example one and take a look at this rectangular prism right here in which we have a length of 4 inches, a width of 5 inches, and a height of 7 inches. Keeping in mind that all we have to do is just multiply the length times the width times the height, or we could just take a look at big B, which is simply length times width first. And so let's take a look at that. So we have volume is equal to 4 times 5 times 7. But let's take a look at big B, which is the multiplication of length times width. 4 times 5 would give us 20. And let's bring that 20 down here and multiply it by the 7. And when we see that right here, we know that 20 times 7 will give us 140. So we have a volume of 140 cubic inches. Notice that it's to the third power because when we obtain the volume of any solid figure, it is going to be measured in cubic units. And so again, the volume for this particular rectangular prism is 140 cubic inches. And let's move on to big example two and apply our formula to this particular rectangular prism that has a length of 8 centimeters, a width of 6 centimeters, and a height of 3 centimeters. And so what we're going to do right here, we're going to know that volume is equal to 8 times 6 times 3, keeping in mind that big B, which is length times width, which will be 8 times 6, will give us 48. And we're going to bring that 48 down here to multiply it by the height. And so we know that the volume is equal to 48 times 3, which will give us 144 cubic centimeters. And so again, our volume for this big example right here will be 144 cubic centimeters. Remember, it's raised to the third power. Okay, you have been given some significant information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at things or replay this video as many times you need to get a deeper understanding of the volume of rectangular prisms, y'all. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.